Okay guys, so basically I got my Kindle Paperwhite 10th Gen today and I wanted to unbox it for camera, and that's why the gloves. Yeah, I mean it's just for the outer packaging because coronavirus. So let's start with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this as usual. I'm going to be struggling here, please bear with me. Okay, so this is done. Just gonna cut the other side as well. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I have this stuff in here. Whew, this is interesting. So I am going to dispose of this one. Wipe the boxes, and yeah, then I will get back with the plastic or the boxes only and show them to you. So that's the plan. Okay, so I kind of sanitized the whole thing and I have two of these here right now. So this is the Kindle Paperwhite cover which I ordered along with this. I always order covers because I am really scared that I would be flimsy with my Kindle. So yeah, this is something that we can unbox later. So this is the Paperwhite. By the way guys, just ignore this tripod stand here. I try to adjust this very well and I'm trying to do this on my table currently. The other shot was on the floor, so yeah. Okay, so the seal is still here, so that's nice. And it says thinner, lighter, and now waterproof. Okay, so this is the 13,000 version, that's 13,000 rupees. This is the Kindle 10th Gen Paperwhite. So this is the one with 8 GB space. So this is not with I think the one that I saw for 18,000 was 32 GB with 4G, but this only has 8 GB and Wi-Fi. Actually, I don't even need 4G because I can easily run hotspot on my phone and run this, and plus 8 GB is fine. It's totally fine. So for comparison, I do have my other existing Kindle at the side, which is actually a bit battered. The cover is battered and this is how it looks. So this is like one of the basic Kindles. Oh, battery low, great. I didn't expect that. Anyway, so this one is the very basic Kindle and I got it second hand because I did not have money once upon a time, or I was scared that I was, I would not use the Kindle. But now that I know that I want to read a lot on the Kindle, my earphones are poking out here. Ignore that guys, please. Okay, so this is it. Okay. Oh my god, save me. This is like just too exciting. I mean, you cannot just do this in one frame. So I'm just gonna break the seal. Oh god, give me all the strength to do this. Can I do this? What's happening? I don't understand. Is the packaging of the Kindle always this hard? I mean, I think one way it's good because oh my god, that's how you do it? Really? Okay, so I open this, and today you know that Jyotsna doesn't know how to open or unbox items. Here comes the big stuff. The big stuff. Oh my goodness guys. Whew. So let's just keep this at the side. What does it come with? Okay, a safety manual, and then what does it come with? USB? Yes, USB, of course. USB had to be there. I'm just like checking inside if there's anything. What's this? This is nothing, I think. Okay, so I think those are the items. So let me just keep the scissor away. those are the items, and this shitty thing, which just proved that I do not know how to do unboxing videos. Yeah, that also aside. So yeah, this is the charging cable, nothing new. This is Kindle Paperwhite. I don't know. Anyway, this is the beauty in our hands, and I'm not shaking, but I'm just excited because I want to really make sure I'm reading instructions while I'm being camera conscious. Interesting. So it says power on. Okay, so I'm going to be powering on. So off the bat, I can tell you this, that this is super lightweight, and I'm just waiting for this to, you know, initialize. So that's that. Okay, so it's still initializing right now. What is my language? I normally say, okay, this is 300 ppi resolution, so that means it's a higher resolution. And yeah, okay, so what I was talking about, normally go for UK, English UK, but then I just went for English US. Well, but honestly, like if I have to follow some kind of speaking, like, you know, some kind of writing with respect to spellings and the way people speak, this is not about slang. This is about the normal acceptable usage of English on a daily basis. In India, you normally speak in UK English and not US English, basically. Maybe because of pop culture these days, you speak US English, but yeah, I mean, that's just like a stupid rant. Maybe I'll do another video on that. So yeah, okay, so this is 300 ppi. It has built-in light, weeks of battery life, that's correct. So the main reason for buying this was the weeks of the high resolution battery light. Okay, it says connect to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi now. I need to know. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and connect to my respective Wi-Fi. Okay, so basically it asked me to use my existing Amazon account, and I do have an existing Amazon account. Why do you think I used the Kindle for so long? Of course, I will be logging in by using my existing Amazon account, and I will be showing you the screen after that because I don't want you to know my email, phone number or password. Thank you. Okay, so the Kindle allowed me to log in. Yay to that. First it threw up an error and later on it did not. So yeah, basically. Okay, so the Kindle has allowed me to log in at this particular point of time. I am just going to go ahead and next, done. Okay, so basically it's, yay, this is interesting. It actually kind of synced my books, which is a lot of books, by the way, you can see it here. But I do not have my collections. Okay, that's something that I need to look into, because collections, yes, collections would be an issue, because if you see my other Kindle, so let me just do a comparison now. Just want to remove this cover off. Bam, don't get stuck. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for my Kindle here and I can show you. Okay, this is low battery. Let's ignore that warning. You know, people have been asking me what am I going to do with this Kindle, and I do not know. Maybe I'll give it to a friend, maybe I'll just keep it, safekeeping. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see, but do you see the difference between this Kindle and this Kindle? Like, the reason why this Kindle is so clear, first thing, of course, the backlight. This doesn't have a backlight, this has a backlight. But as you can understand, this particular one has 300 ppi, while this one I think has just 140 ppi. Okay, so yeah, that's one thing. The second thing being this, that okay, I need to explore a lot on this one, but I think this one, the transition here is very smooth. Maybe because this is like new version, but the transition here is not so smooth. There is a lag always, and you can see the lag on screen. I'm not sure, but I can feel the lag for sure. So that's something that I do have. One thing I'll have to sit and do here would be I'll have to go ahead and, I don't know, group all these into collections. So because on my old Kindle I have collections like currently reading, you know, samples, TBR. I'm not sure if you can even see this, because, you know, comparing both of these, this is of course the winner, the outstanding winner of the whole situation. So yeah, that's that. And overall I like it. Okay, so it is, I think, even giving me my Goodreads one. So do I need to log in, or is it like logged in already? Yeah, so it's logged in already, so that's a nice thing. Maybe there's a lot to explore, because over here I had to like sync my Goodreads manually, and up till a certain point of time Goodreads integration was not even possible, because I've been using this since 2017, I think. I would like to say 16 or 17, but I'm not sure. So I actually bought this second hand from a girl who was not actually using it much. She had bought it for 1 month, kept it, and then she wanted to sell it. So I found her. She lived right next to me. I got this for 2K less. So this was 6,000 at the time, and I got it for 4K. This is 13K, that is 12,999. That's the Indian price in INR. So yeah, I think this is it. So this is what I'm going to do next. I'm gonna be oh, okay. I think I'm done with the comparison. You can see this is the winner all around. So the next thing I am doing is unboxing my this is the one that I'm unboxing. Just gonna go ahead and attempt to do this again. You know, I mean, I was so excited for this, and I'm still excited, don't get me wrong, but now that I have it, I'm like at peace somewhere. Like, I'm happy, I'm at peace. It's just interesting. Okay, so this is here. So this is like an official Paperwhite cover, which is the fabric cover. So let's just keep stuff away from my Kindle. Wow, this is a beauty, isn't it? I'm just opening it. Yep, I'll do that too. The point is that this particular cover, okay, so if you can see this is available. Does it say 3 colors? No, it doesn't say 3 colors. So this cover is available in 3 colors. So one of it is this color, one of it is yellow, and the other one's blue. I kind of liked this at first, but then I felt like this is better because this would get dirty quickly. But I couldn't find this or the blue one, and I did not like the blue one anyway, so I stuck with this one because it's magnificent, man. I mean, I love the color a lot, but I know over a period of time it will collect dust, and that's why I was a bit apprehensive, but I bought it anyway. So yeah, so right off the bat you can see this is literally plastic. This is a plastic cover, and there is no magnetic. Okay, it's magnetic but not magnetic. So I close this and I think it locks, and I open this and it unlocks. So yeah, that's a good thing. I know all covers do that, but I'm just glad that my cover does it. I mean, I get overexcited because of these small things, so let's just ignore that. And yeah, I think that is it. It's a beautiful Kindle, and it's a beautiful cover. And of course I'll leave the Amazon link. There is no affiliation, you can go and click it. I'm just doing this because I think everyone should have a Kindle. Not that I am feeding into anybody's capitalist dreams. But yeah, I mean, it's a good thing to have, and if you're interested, do check it out. No, not sponsored, nothing, just genuine interest in the Kindle being shown currently, because I love book minimalism and I enjoy book minimalism, which reminds me, this is awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.